Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a Next.js video editor project for actually splitting and trimming your videos directly in the browsers. This video editor is running on localhost 3000. The interface is quite simple. You select your video file, whatever video file you want to edit. As soon as you select the video file, the interface looks something like this. It's a timeline based video editor. So if you need the purchase the source code, the link is given in the description. So this is the full directory structure of the project here. Each component is coded directly in TypeScript. So once you purchase it, automatically the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. You can customize this, add more features as well. And if we show you package.json file, we're using the latest version of Next. And we are using this FFMPEG WebAssembly library, and we are using Radix UI for the user interface design. So now you can play the video as well. This is the timeline that it constructs, and here you can add a marker. So you can adjust. As you adjust here, you will see the duration will change, the starting and the ending time. You can split the long video into multiple parts. Here you can preview this. So this is clip 1, this is clip 2. So this is clip 3. So in this easy way, you can see now you can split a long video into small chunk parts. So just move your marker, and wherever you need to place it, click on that, click on that. You'll see how easy it is. So after you do this, you click on this button of export all clips. So here you can adjust the options here: original quality, compressed, aspect ratio. You can even change 9 by 16. You can do this for vertical videos, TikTok reels, and click on export. So now the processing will start. So one by one it will export all the clips for you. You can individually click the download button. So it's very useful because many a times you do need to split your long videos into small parts. So you can see this is the first part of the video, and so this processing directly happens in the browser, so there is no need to actually have a backend or server. So we are using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So this library allows you to use the FFmpeg library, which is a really famous library. So essentially it's a command line based library, but this package allows you to use this directly in the browser. So we are using this inside our Next.js project. You can add more parts here. You will see how, just place the marker. So clip 1, clip 2, clip 3, clip, so it will create. You can also click the preview button. So this will show you the actual preview as well. You can edit again by providing manually the time as well, and click the dustbin icon to delete that. And it's completely responsive. As you can see, the user interface I coded in Radix UI, so it's completely responsive. And you can even monetize this application by purchasing a domain name and deploying this application and earning a lot of software based SaaS revenue as well. So you can build out this project, just purchase a domain name and simply run this host, this video editor. So many a times user will come to your tool because it will basically save a lot of time of the user as well to actually trim and create highlights of a long video. This timeline based editor makes it easy for them. So you can see one by one the processing will start. So it totally depends upon the length of the video, how much length you are working upon. So that's why it will take a lot of time if for longer videos. But there is no limit to it. So you can actually select. So interface is quite simple here. You will see that. So it can be a trimmer, it can be a video cutter, video trimmer, anything you can say, but it's advanced video editor. It directly runs in the browser and essentially it's using the latest Next.js version and React 18 we are using. So quite a number of libraries we are using, and also we are using Tailwind as well for the user interface. So definitely check this out.